Hi, my name is Parker. I do Connections Academy online.
Hi, my name is Michael. I go to Medina as my home school, and today we're going to be showing you around cybersecurity and digital forensics. So over here we kind of got the self-built computer by the senior class. So this computer is like a Ryzen 9 3900X, 16 gigs of RAM, RTX 2060. So I guess the main uses for this computer can be used for CAD and video editing.
It's basically a really good gaming computer. It's a very powerful computer that could be used for many different things. All right, now if you'll follow us in the door, this is the lab where, as you can see, it's always quite busy. This is where the magic happens. And if you come with us this way, we can show you all the awards. As you can see here with all these blue and this red trophy, we won these through BPA. It's Business Professionals of America. It is associated with the IT Academy and the Career Center, and it provides many great opportunities.
Yeah, so here's a couple of our first place trophies here with fundamentals of web design, computer animation, PC servicing and troubleshooting.
One of the great opportunities of BPA is that it allows you to travel all over the country, which previous years in this program have been able to do. I hope that we are able to get that opportunity as well.
Our class is big on certifications, so we got lots like IC3, MTA, Microsoft Office, Adobe, CompTIA. So normally these certifications would cost thousands of dollars, but at the Career Center they offer them completely for free. And that's, I guess, one big plus that I really like about the Career Center.
Now we're going to move on to the Cat5 cables. So these guys are working on creating Ethernet cables, which is basically the wire that provides all hard direct access to the internet directly from your router.
So what they have to do is they have to line up all the correct colors for the cables, and then they have to use something called a crimper to actually crimp the cables and put the terminated ends on them. This is like what the physical connection that you actually plug into the computer here. So here is our server, our class server. We use it for Active Directory because we're on our own network, so it allows us to kind of really interconnect with the class.
So Active Directory is basically a list of all of the names that people can use to sign onto the network and the permissions assigned to them. So you can create a whole nother profile with like a name like John Smith and give it a specific password that you could go onto any computer in here, enter that sign-in stuff, and gain access to the closed circuit of information that we have.
So that's how a lot of enterprises use Active Directory.
Our friend over here, Tyler, he's actually going through Active Directory, assigning permissions and creating his own profiles for this program.
So now we're going to segue you outside, so we're going to be talking about the ITA Commons.
So here, this is the ITA Commons where we work on many projects. As you can see back here, they are looking at computer parts that we are eventually going to build into a computer like you saw at the beginning of this tour.
So I'm working with my friend in software engineering for BPA, and this space is really nice to use for the tables and a nice collaborative space. So I guess another great thing about the Career Center is that you can still take all the academic classes that you would normally take back at the high school. So for example, I'm taking advanced math, honors language arts, and even Spanish.
As opposed to him who takes his classes here, I do mine still online for the rest of the day. So after class ends, for me, I immediately hop in my car and I head home. It allows great flexibility for me and I really enjoy it. After high school, I am definitely going into a tech-oriented field just from the amazing experience I've had here.
This program has also allowed me to kind of pursue my dream of being a systems administrator at some company. It's allowed me to get a lot of hands-on experience that I normally wouldn't have the opportunity to at the high school.
Thanks for coming on this little tour with us, and we hope to see you next year in Cybersecurity Digital Forensics in the ITA Academy.